Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Math is Made Easy. Today, undoubtedly, it is going to be one of the amazing episodes as the four candidates that have reached to the semi-final level are all competent and each one of them have got the ability and potential to perform well under such circumstances. The two candidates that will win today will qualify for the final episode that will be on 18th of this month, inshallah. After concluding this season, I am going to start the new season, the syllabus of which will be discussed in the later part of this video. Those who are interested to register can register on the WhatsApp number given on the screen. But before starting this quiz, I would like to request the new viewers or those who haven't subscribed yet to subscribe this channel, and don't forget to share and like this video. So best of luck, guys. Let us start the quiz. So the first question will be for Mr. Tawheed. Are you ready?
Yes, sure, sir.
Okay. Let me start the quiz. So the first question is on the screen now. Which of the following rivers divides the Deccan tableland from Central Highland in northern India? Option A, Chambal. Second option, Krishna. Option third, Godavari. Number fourth, Narmada. You have got 12 more seconds to answer. 8, 7, 6.
Godavari, part C, Godavari.
Okay, let me submit the answer. No, it is not the right answer. Actually, it is Narmada. Option D is the right answer. So the next question is for Mr. Ejaz on the screen now. Which of the following gives the correct descending order by length of the rivers of India? Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Kosi, Ganga, Brahmaputra, Krishna, Godavari, Ganga, Godavari, Yamuna, Krishna, or Ganga, Yamuna, Godavari, and Mahanadi.
C part, Ganga, Godavari, Yamuna, and Krishna.
Okay, let me submit the answer. Yes, it is the right answer. So good start for Mr. Ejaz here. The next question on the screen for Mr. Abrarul Haq. From north towards south, which one of the following is the correct sequence of the given rivers in India? Zaskar, Shyok, Satluj, Spiti, Shyok, Spiti, Zaskar, Satluj, Zaskar, Satluj, Shyok, Spiti, Shyok, Spiti, Zaskar, or Satluj? Twelve more seconds to answer. 9 seconds. 8, 7. A part. Let me submit the answer. Yes, it is the right answer. So well done, Mr. Abrar. The next question is for Mr. Bilal on the screen now. An important river of Indian desert is Luni, Damodar, Hooghly, or Kosi?
A Luni.
Luni, are you sure?
Yes, sir, absolutely. It's in Rajasthan.
Yes, I think it was a simple question for you. So you got an easy one, first one. The next question on the screen for Mr. Tawheed. Most of India's rainfall is cyclonic, convectional, elusive, or orographic?
Convectional, B part.
B part. Okay,
Yes.
let me submit the answer. Yes, it is the right answer. So you have got 4 points for answering this question. The next question is for Mr. Ejaz on the screen now. The northeastern hills that block the southwest monsoon winds and cause heavy rains in Assam are Arakan Yoma and Pegu Yoma, Garo, Khasi, and Jaintia Hills, Bareil and Patkai Hills, Khasi and Pegoyoma. Northeastern hills that block the southwest monsoon winds. You have got 12 more seconds to answer this question.
B part, sir.
B part, let me submit the answer. Oh, the right answer. So you have got 4 more points for answering this question. The next question on the screen for Mr. Abrarul Haq. The reason for Rajasthan being deficient in rainfall is the monsoon failed to reach this area. B part, it is too hot. There is no water available and thus the winds remain dry. Or fourth one, the winds do not come across any barrier to cause necessary uplift to be cooled. What is the reason? You have got 12 more seconds to answer. 9, 8, 7, 6. Quick.
B.
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 It is too hot. Eh? Okay. No, it is not the right answer. Actually, the right answer is D part. The winds do not come across any barrier to cause necessary uplift to be cooled. Okay. The next question is for Mr. Bilal on the screen now. During the monsoon season, rainfall decreases from the Ganga Delta to the Punjab Plains. It is because monsoon current moves westward along the Ganga Plain and becomes drier. Western regions are warmer than the eastern region. Hills do not form barriers for winds. The area is far away from the sea. You have got 12 more seconds to answer this question.
I think it's A.
A, you think? That means you are not sure. Let me log it. Yes, it is the right answer. I think Tukka has worked here for Mr. Bilal. The next
It was a
question.
concept basic question.
Okay.
That's why.
The next question is for Mr. Ejaz on the screen now.
Mr.
Ejaz,
Tawheed.
Ejaz. Mr. Tawheed, sorry. The
Tawheed.
western disturbances which cause winter rain in India originate in Pakistan, Bay of Bengal, West Asia, or Himalayas?
West Asia.
West Asia. Let me log the answer. Yes, it is the right answer. So you have got 4 points for answering this question. Is for Mr. Ejaz on the screen now. Which one of the following states receives the highest rainfall during winter months? Punjab, Kerala, Meghalaya, or Tamil Nadu?
Winter month.
Yes.
I think Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu. Let me log the answer. Yes, it is the right answer. So 3 out of 3 for Mr. Ejaz. Going good here. The next question for Mr. Abrar on the screen now. Mumbai receives more rainfall than Pune because Mumbai is on the windward side. Pune is at a greater elevation. Mumbai is a coastal city. Pune has greater vegetation than Mumbai.
A. Mumbai is on windward side.
Mumbai is on a windward side. Let me log the answer. Yes, it is the right answer. So 4 more points for Mr. Abrar. And the next question is for Mr. Bilal now. The question is on the screen now. The amount and intensity of monsoon rainfall is determined by the frequency of western disturbances, dust storms, cyclones, tropical depressions. Amount and intensity of monsoon rainfall. You have 11 more seconds to answer. 9, 8, 7.
Tropical depression.
Tropical depressions. Yes, it is the right answer. So 3 out of 3 for Mr. Bilal and Mr. Ejaz. Going good here. And the next question is for Mr. Tawheed again on the screen now. Which of the following group of rivers in India are likely to show the least erosional activity? Himalayan rivers, those rising in the Great Plain of India, the thin streams flowing into the Arabian Sea, or the eastward flowing peninsular rivers? Come on.
D
we
part.
have B part?
D.
D. Okay, let me submit the answer. Yes, it is the right answer. So Mr. Tawheed has got 4 points for answering this question. The next question is for Mr. Ijaz on the screen now. River Kaveri flows through the state of A part, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. B part, Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. C part, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat and Tamil Nadu. D part, Kerala, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. You have got 10 more seconds to answer this question. 8, 7, 6.
I think D part.
D part.
D.
D, yes. Let me lock it. No, it is actually B part. That is Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu. The next question is for Mr. Abrar on the screen now. Which of the river does not originate in Indian territory? Ganga, Satluj, Mahanadi, or Yamuna?
B. Satluj.
B.
B.
Satluj. Let me log the answer. Yes, it is the right answer. So you have got 4 points for answering this question. The next question is for Mr. Bilal on the screen now. The first river valley project is started in India is Bakra Nangal project, Damodar Valley project, Kosi project, or Hirakud project.
I think it is B part, Damodar Valley project.
Damodar Valley project. Let me log the answer. Yes, it is the right answer. So after 16 questions, Mr. Tawheed has answered 3 correct answers out of 4. Mr. Ejaz 3 out of 4. Mr. Abrar 3 out of 4. And leading from the front is Mr. Bilal. The next question on the screen is for Mr. Tawheed. How do dust storms in summer affect the temperature? Increase it, decrease it, no effect, or cannot say? You have got 8 more seconds. 7, 6.
A part.
Which?
A part. A part. Increase it.
Let me lock it. No, it is actually B part. It decreases it. So B part was the right answer. The next question is for Mr. Ejaz on the screen now. Why does Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats both receive sufficient rainfall, but Deccan Plateau receives scanty rainfall? Reason: it is a rain shadow area. It is located parallel to wind direction. It is away from the coast, or rain-bearing clouds are absent.
B part.
B part. Are you sure?
Not too much.
Okay, let me lock it. No, it was actually the part number first, because it is a rain shadow area. That was the reason. So the next question is for Mr. Abrar on the screen now. Why does a farmer plow his fields in summer? To prevent alkalinity of soil, to prevent acidity of soil, to prevent the surface from becoming hard, or to fertilize the soil? It is a tricky question, I think.
Yes.
You have got 10 more seconds now. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
C.
C. Yes, it is the right option. So good job done by Mr. Abrar. The next question is for Mr. Bilal on the screen now. Which one of the following types of vegetation is referred as monsoon forest? Tropical dry evergreen forests, tropical moist deciduous forests, tropical semi-evergreen forests, or tropical dry deciduous forests?
Tropical moist deciduous forests.
Tropical
B part.
moist deciduous forests. Yes, it is the right answer. So 5 out of 5 for Mr. Bilal. The next question is for Mr. Tawheed on the screen now. Which is India's largest multi-purpose river valley project? Bakranangal, Damodar Valley, Nagarjuna Sagar, or Thungabhadra? Largest multi-purpose river valley project.
A part.
A part, Bakranangal is the right answer. So you have got 4 more points for answering this question. The next question on the screen for Mr. Ejaz now. The second largest east flowing peninsular river is? Second largest. Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, or Mahanadi?
I think Krishna.
Krishna, let me log the answer. Yes, it is the right answer. So you have got 4 more points for answering this question. The next question for Mr. Abrar on the screen now. The river system which depends more on melting of snow for its water supply is Ganga, Indus, Godavari, or Brahmaputra? Hurry up.
Indus. B.
B, Indus.
B. Indus.
Okay, let me log the answer. Yes, it is the right answer. Next question for Mr. Bilal on the screen now. Which of the following South Indian rivers has the largest basin? Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Mahanadi? Largest basin.
I think it's A part, Godavari.
Godavari, let me log the answer. Yes, it is the right answer. So after 24 questions, Mr. Tawheed, 4 correct answers. Mr. Ejaz, 4 correct answers. Mr. Abrar, 5 correct answers. And Mr. Bilal, 6 out of 6, leading from the front here. So I think it is a very good competition going on here. Anything can happen because 24 more questions are to be asked. That means each one of you will get a chance to answer 6 questions each. The next question on the screen for Mr. Tawheed. The paddy fields of India are located in the areas of annual rainfall 120 centimeter, 140 centimeter, 100 centimeter, or 80 centimeter.
C part.
C part. Let me log the answer. Yes, it is the right answer. So you have got 4 more points. The next question for Mr. Ejaz on the screen now. Which of the following receive heavy rainfall in the month of October and November? Hills of Garo, Khasi, and Jaintia, Plateau of Chota Nagpur, Coromandel Coast, or Malwa Plateau? Receive heavy rainfall in the month of October and November. You've got 10 more seconds to answer. 8, 7, 6.
C part. Not
C
confident.
part. Let me lock it. Yes, it is the right answer. Was it Tukka, sir, or?
Yes, sir, it was Tukka, but it is in the southernmost side of India. That is why.
Okay, okay.
uh,
The next question
this area
for
receives
Mr. Abrar is on the screen now. Which one of the following sequences is correct in the context of the 3 largest wheat producing states in India? Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, and Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, and Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, and Bihar, Punjab, Bihar, and Madhya Pradesh.
A.
Are you
A
sure?
part. Punjab, Madhya Pradesh. Yes.
No, actually, it is the C part. Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, and Bihar. That is the right sequence. So the next question for Mr. Bilal on the screen now. Which of the following state is not top soybean growing state in India? Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, and Chhattisgarh.
It is Chhattisgarh. D.
D.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is the right answer. I think you are lucky here that you got some easy questions, but you have to answer 5 more questions. Let us wait and watch what will happen. The next question is for Mr. Tawheed on the screen now. Majuli, the world's largest river island, is located in which state? Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Tripura, Mizoram.
Assam.
Assam. Let me log the answer. Yes, it is the right answer. So the next question for Mr. Ejaz on the screen now. Siva Samudram is an island formed by the river Ganga, Godavari, Krishna, or Kaveri.
Kaveri.
Kaveri, D part. Let me lock it. Yes, it is the right answer. So 4 more points for Mr. Ejaz. The next question is for Mr. Abrar on the screen now. Indian railways are divided into how many zones? 17, 18, 19, or 20? Hurry up. You got 9 seconds. 8, 7, 6.
B. 18.
18 is actually the right answer. So you have got 4 more points for this question. So the next question for Mr. Bilal on the screen now. Which of the following railway is not recognized by a UNESCO World Heritage Site? Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, Nilgiri Mountain Railway, Kalka Shimla Railway, Northeastern Railway.
It is, I think, either it is C or D.
So which one to
but I will go
submit?
with,
Which one to submit? Hurry up, time is running out.
I will go with D.
D, let me lock it. Oh, I think Tikka has waited here for Mr. Bilal.
I was 50-50 about it.
Oh, 50-50. So the score is, after 32 questions, Mr. Tawheed has answered 3 plus 3, 6 out of 8. Mr. Ejaz, 6 out of 8. Mr. Abrar, he has also answered 6 out of 8. And Mr. Bilal, 8 out of 8. So it is really going good here. The next question on the screen is for Mr. Tawheed now. A rainy day as defined by the Indian Meteorological Department is a day when the rainfall at a point received is 0.5 mm to 1 mm in 24 hours, 1.1 mm to 1.5 mm in 24 hours, 1.6 mm to 2 mm in 24 hours, above 2.5 mm in 24 hours. You have got 10 more seconds to answer. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
C part.
C part. Let me lock it. No, it is actually D. D is the right answer, above 2.5 mm. The next question is for Mr. Ejaz on the screen now. What is the nature of monsoon rain from Guwahati to Chandigarh? Irregular nature, crescent or growing nature, diminishing nature, or cyclic nature? Hurry up. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
D part.
D
part, D part.
part. Let me log the answer. No, it is actually diminished nature. And that is C part. The next question is for Mr. Abrar on the screen now. The tea plantation requires a rainfall of 50 to 150 centimeter, 200 to 400 centimeter, 200 to 400 centimeter, or 150 to 250 centimeter.
D. 150, 250.
150 to 250. Yes, it is the right answer. So Mr. Abrar has got 4 more points. The next question for Mr. Bilal on the screen now. The Barak Valley of Assam is famous for the cultivation of which crop? Oil palm, tea, sugarcane, or coffee?
It is T.
Tea, are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Let me log it. No, it is the wrong answer. The next question is for Mr. Tawheed. I think this was the first question, wrong answer by Mr. Bilal. So the
Yes,
next
sir.
question is for Mr. Tawheed now. Which of the following river flow from south to north direction? Krishna, Kaveri, San, or Godavari? It is from south to north. Very important question, I think, but easier also. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
C
4.
part.
C part. Let me lock it. Yes, it is the right answer. The next question is for Mr. Ejaz again. The second largest river system in India next to Ganga system is that of Godavari, Krishna, Brahmani, or Baitarni?
Godavari.
Godavari. Let me log the answer. Yes, it is the right answer. The next question is for Mr. Abrar on the screen now. Which of the following Indian state is the largest producer of rubber? Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, or Kerala?
Kerala.
Kerala. Let me log the answer. Yes, it is the right answer. So 4 more pointers for Mr. Abrar. The next question is for Mr. Bilal on the screen now. Which of the following Indian state is popularly known as Garden of Spices? Karnataka, Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu?
Kerala.
Kerala. Let me log the answer. Yes, it is the right answer. So 8 more questions to go. That means each one of you will get a chance to answer 2 questions each. And leading from the front is Mr. Bilal with 9 correct answers. On number 2nd position, it is Mr. Abrar with 8 correct answers. And the level score, that is 7 points each for Mr. Ejaz and Mr. Tawheed. So anything can happen. Let us wait and watch. So the next question is for Mr. Tawheed on the screen now. Which one of the following shows the correct sequence of places in descending order of the average summer rainfall? Jaisalmer, Pune, Allahabad, Cherrapunji. Cherrapunji, Jaisalmer, Pune, Allahabad. Allahabad, Pune, Jaisalmer, Cherrapunji. Cherrapunji, Allahabad, Pune, Jaisalmer.
C part.
C part. Let me log the answer. No, it is actually D part. Cherrapunji, Allahabad, Pune, and Jaisalmer. Next question is for Mr. Ejaz. Which of the following area of Indian subcontinent becomes the area of low pressure in summer? Rann of Kutch, Rajasthan, Northwestern India, or Meghalaya?
Meghalaya.
Meghalaya. No, it is actually C part, Northwestern India. Next question is for Mr. Abrar on the screen now. Which of the following national highway connects the 4 metro cities of India? That is Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, and Chennai. National Highway 44, National Highway 47A, Golden Quadrilateral GQ, or North-South Corridor of NHDP.
C. Golden Quadrilateral. C.
Golden C part.
C. C.
Okay. Yes, it is the right answer. So Mr. Abrar has got 4 more points for answering this question. The next question is for Mr. Bilal. Which was the first Indian private airline to launch flights to China? Jet Airways, Sahara Airlines, Kingfisher Airlines, or Indigo?
I think it's Kingfisher.
Kingfisher.
What about it?
No, it is a wrong answer. Actually, it was Jet Airways.
Okay.
The last 4 questions, and the question is for Mr. Tawheed on the screen now. Which of the following rivers of the Indian subcontinent covers the longest distance from its source to the sea into Indus, Godavari, Ganga, and Brahmaputra?
Hmm.
9 more
Indus.
seconds. Indus, first one.
Indus. A part.
Okay,
Yes.
let me know the answer. No, it is actually C part, that is Ganga.
No,
Next
it's-
question is for Mr. Ejaz on the screen now. Which one of the following Indian rivers does not have a delta at its egress? It is Tapi, Godavari, Kaveri, or Mahanadi? Which one?
Tapi. A part. A
A
part.
part. Let me log the answer. Yes, it is the right answer. Oh my God. Next question is for Mr. Abrar on the screen now. Which is the busiest international airport in India? Amritsar International Airport, Indira Gandhi International Airport, Sardar Vellabhai Patel International Airport, or Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport?
B. B.
B. Yes, it is the right answer. And the last question for Mr. Bilal is on the screen now. Who inaugurated the first line of the Delhi Metro? Atal Bihari Vajpayee, I.K. Gujral, H.D. Dev Gowda, or P.V. Narasimha Rao?
I think it's
Which one?
Devgowda.
Which one?
C.
C.
C. C.
Okay, the wrong answer. A is the right answer. So this means that after the completion of the episode, the 2 candidates that have qualified for the final round are Mr. Bilal and Mr. Abrar. Mr. Abrar has answered 10 out of 12 questions correctly. Mr. Bilal answered 9 questions correctly out of 12 questions. Mr. Ejaz 8 out of 12, and Mr. Tawheed 7 out of 12. It was really a very good performance. All of you performed really well, and I will say best of luck to the 2 candidates, that is Mr. Abrar and Mr. Bilal, for the final. Thanks a lot. Thanks for joining me here. So without wasting any time, let me give you the details of the second season, which I am planning to start from 24th of this month. The total number of participants I need for this season is 18. The first 18 candidates who will register first will be given the chance to participate. The registration fee is rupees 300 per candidate, and there will be 3 cash prizes. For first position, it is rupees 2500. For second position, it is rupees 1200, and for third position, it is rupees 500. In round 1, there will be total 18 participants, and total number of episodes in round 1 will be 6. and 3 candidates will appear in per episode. The syllabus for round 1, it is actually general knowledge with special reference to J&K UT. That means it is the first portion of the syllabus from JKSSB, Financial Accounts Assistant syllabus. And also English portion of the same has been included in the round 1. So this is the syllabus for round 1. Current events of national and international importance, political and physical divisions of world in India, Indian culture, heritage, freedom struggle movement. You know all this, and you can take the screenshot of the same. Number second round, there will be 12 participants because 6 participants from 6 episodes of first round will get eliminated. And here number of episodes will be 4 and 3 candidates will participate in per episode. The syllabus for the second round is general science. Again, this is a syllabus portion of JKSSB FAA, that is a financial account assistant. So you have to prepare this portion for round 2, and then it will be round 3rd, and there will be 8 participants in this round, and the number of episodes will be 4, and 2 candidates will participate in per episode. The syllabus for the same is computer portion of JKSSB FAA. You can take the screenshot of the same. And then it will be semi-final round and final round. In semi-final round, there will be 4 candidates and 2 episodes. And obviously 2 candidates will participate in per episode. And in the final round, there will be 2 participants. The syllabus for a semi-final and final is whole syllabus discussed above. That means this first portion, general knowledge with special reference to J&K UT, English, science, and general science and computer science. That means the question is in all the 4 portions discussed above will be in this semi-final and final round. The first episode will be on 24th of June 2021, inshallah. And you can register on the WhatsApp number given below, 9797744640. So hurry up, show the guts, and check your knowledge. Check that how much more hard work you need to do to compete in various competitive exams. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.